Company, Administer, Import Data. With clicks, you can easily import information into the system from any calculus formatted page. This will prove useful when you wish to import any list you may have into the system, such as list of inventory, employees, forms of payment, discounts, basically any list or information that may require importing into the system. Doing so in a calculus formatted page will make the process much easier. To do this, your first step will be to select the type of record you will make the imported information. Next, you will give it a name so as to easily identify it within the system. Once you've completed assigning a name to your importation, you will then select a folder by clicking on the Browser tab located at the bottom of your information. To make it easier to learn how to enable your imported file, be it in Excel or some other calculus formatted page, you can import a template that's pre-programmed in this system. The template will have all the information as well as the columns and what information goes into each column and the limits of each column. Once you've completed filling out your template, there are various ways for you to import it. You can add the information on a calculus page. You can update already existing information within the system or add the information even if you must override already existing information that is contained within the system. It is highly recommended that you practice with this form of importation before attempting a massive importation of information, just so that you're comfortable with the process.